I have the bias tape all sewed on the arm the way it's supposed to go, the way I showed you guys. See, you sew it that way. And then this is the front side. This is the inside. So what they want us to do is go here and then sew it down like this. So I was thinking, if we iron it like this, take our time and iron it, this, it's easier to sew it. Let's see, got like a smooth iron on it. And then go here. And then iron it some more. I think we'll see like where we made a mistake. I think like right there, I made a mistake. See it? So what I'm gonna do is, right here, see the gap? That did not get sewn at all. So let's kind of look and see where I made another mistake. So I just made a mistake here. So I'm gonna just go back to the machine and sew that part on. This way, sew it on, and then I'm gonna come back, iron it some more, and then sew it on. So I'll see you guys in a minute.